Dear students, welcome to the third unit of software engineering. In this unit, we will learn about a software system, project management concepts, software management teams, software management problems and techniques. Objectives of this unit are to develop an understanding of software system and an ability to plan a project, formulate a project development team, effectively manage the problems, and produce a product according to the specifications. We define the system as: a system is a collection of software system needs to be managed efficiently and effectively. For this purpose, we go through the project management concepts. First of all, we look at the meaning of a project. A project is a set of activities to be performed within a certain time frame using defined resources. And the project management is the planning, monitoring and control of the people, process and events. Since the development of a computer software is a team activity, mostly projects require a large number of people to work for relatively long period of time. Managing resources is an effective way to complete the project in time is a complex task, therefore it should be properly managed. Project management involves dealing with people, product, process and project, which are sometimes referred to as 4 P's. People must be organized to perform software work effectively. Product scope and requirements must be understood by effectively communicating with the customer. A suitable software process must be selected having people and the product in consideration. Keeping in mind the complexity of work and the resources, the project must be planned in such a way that its completion may take place within the specified resources. These resources may be time, money, equipment and people, etc. The project plan defines the process and tasks to be conducted, the people who will do the work, and the mechanisms for assessing risks, controlling change, and evaluating quality. A project plan is produced as management activities commence. Dear students, now we will discuss the software team structures in detail. The software team consists of people having variety of skills. Basically, 3 types of teams can be constituted. These are democratic decentralized, controlled decentralized, and controlled centralized. Democratic decentralized. Such types of teams do not have a permanent leader. The function of the team leader role is more that of a coordinator. The activities of such type of team leaders are: number 1, team representation with the project manager and other teams. It means representing the work performed by the team, problems encountered by the team members, and decisions taken by the team members. Number 2. Coordination with the team members. It means helping them to speed up the progress of work. Number 3. Handling administrative matters. Administrative matters may be preparing reports and schedules for project activities and monitoring work. Decisions in such type of teams are made by the whole team. All the team members sit together and discuss the problems that need immediate decisions to be taken. It means horizontal communication takes place. All the team members assume the responsibility for the decisions taken. An important thing in this aspect is that the team should comprise of all the senior and experienced persons. Now we discuss the other type of team, that is controlled decentralized. This type of software engineering team has a defined leader and secondary leaders. The job of team leader is to coordinate specific tasks, and the secondary leaders are responsible for subtasks. Problems are solved by the group discussion, but implementation of solutions is partitioned among subgroups by the team leader. Both horizontal and vertical communication takes place in such case. Subgroups communicate horizontally and the secondary leaders communicate with the team leader. Activities of team leader in such type of team are: Number 1. Assigning tasks and responsibilities to the team members. Number 2. Supervising the work of the team members. Number 3. Providing advice and guidance to the team members. Number 4. Administrative and coordination activities. Such type of teams are suitable for mixed groups having junior and inexperienced as well as experienced developers. Third type of software development team is controlled centralized. In this type of team structure, team leader is responsible for problem solving and internal team coordination. Communication between the team leader and team members is vertical. There are a number of factors that should be considered when planning the structure of software engineering teams. These are: Number 1. The complexity of the problem to be solved. In our example, complexity of the problem is the required technology and skills. Number 2. The size of the software to be developed. In our example, it means the number of courses to be developed. Number 3. Time period for which the team is required to stay together. Number 4. The degree to which the problem can be divided. It means phases of project. For example, we divide our project in different phases. In each phase, we select certain courses to be developed. Number 5. The required quality and reliability of the system to be developed. In our example, the required quality would be standard material and design techniques used in CDs, and reliability would be the delivery of error-free material in CDs. Number 6. Extent to which the deadline is flexible. It means the time allocated for project is extendable or not. For example, if we have specified 1 year, we can extend it to 1.5 years or not. Number 7. The degree of communication required for the project. Degree of communication means that the project has issues to be discussed daily, or the problem is so clear that it rarely needs discussion. Because a centralized structure completes tasks faster, therefore simple problems can be easily handled. For difficult problems, decentralized teams generate better solutions. To achieve a high-performance team, team members must trust one another. The distribution of skills should be such that it adequately solves the problem. Now we discuss factors that lead to a worse situation. Successful software project, the manager must understand the problem and its possible solutions. A few of the most common problems are: Number 1. Software people do not understand their customers' needs. Number 2. The product scope is poorly defined. Number 3. Changes are managed poorly. Number 4. The chosen technology changes. Number 5. Business needs change or these are ill-defined. Number 6. Deadlines are unrealistic. Number 7. Users are resistant. Number 8. Sponsorship is lost or it has not been properly obtained. And number 9. The project team lacks people with appropriate skills. These problems. Carefully define objectives. Maintain momentum, that is, keep yourself working at the defined speed so as to finish work. Track progress, that is, to check whether tasks are completed at the defined time. Make quick and rational decisions. Conduct a performa analysis, that is, list down all the factors for high performance and check whether you are fulfilling all the statements or not, and then grade yourself. Discuss some of the project management techniques. We start our discussion from the W5HH principle. A very famous project management technique proposed by Boehm is W5HH principle that answers following questions. Why is the system being developed? What will be done? By when? Who is responsible for a function? Where are they organizationally located? How will the job be done technically and managerially? How much of each resource is needed? This principle is applicable to almost all types of software projects, regardless of their size or complexity. Now we will discuss performance-based management techniques. The Airlie Council, that is a team of software engineering experts chartered by the US Department of Defense, has developed a list of critical software practices for performance-based management. These practices are: formal risk management, empirical cost and schedule estimation, metric-based project management, earned value tracking, defect tracking against quality targets, people-aware program management.